Hello everyone, it's time for another subscription food unboxing. This time it's going to be my first ever box from Universal Yums. In case you haven't seen my recent unboxings, this is my third international food unboxing, and I'm doing this on a travel channel because I love traveling and because I can't travel right now abroad like I want to. I wanted to do this in the meantime, and it's been pretty cool so far. So let's check out what they have at Universal Yums. Ooh. And just like the other subscription boxes, you have different sizes to choose from. So depending on, how big your household is, you can pick something that works for you. All right, so we open it. Oops. We got Italy this month. Got a cool sticker. Greetings from Italy, the birthplace of the world's most valuable painting. I love how the Mona Lisa has some chocolate there. Italy, yes! Io parlo un po' di italiano. I'm actually learning some Italian on Duolingo. I have some Italian ancestry, so yeah, I'm excited. Off we go, Italy. Ooh, nice booklet, and I'm pretty sure this has the menu as well as recipes. Awesome. Trivia, nutrition facts. Ooh, that's awesome. In case you can't read them on the packaging. Different types of pasta. That's awesome. And some other stuff here in the back. So yay. I love more information. And this cool little map right here. D'Italia. They have a thing here where you can kind of rank the treats. That's awesome. That's kind of what I do here. But I usually only pick my top two, like my favorite sweet and my favorite savory snack, and then I'll pick one. Team rating. Oh, you can put favorite yum, worst yum, weirdest yum. And find more. This is really cool. Here on this side, it'll tell you, like, if you like one of the Italian ones, it'll tell you kind of like a similar thing that you might like from a different country. So that's pretty cool. And then you can actually vote on an upcoming box. And here's what the box looks like. Unlike the Tokyo treat one, which had a lot, because I got the premium one, this one is a little bit smaller. So hopefully this tasting won't take too long. But I'm excited because I just love, Italian culture, Italian food, I'm learning some Italian, so yeah. Ooh, so it also has a yum bag full of fun and yums. So as we're searching the world each month for the best yums to bring you, we often stumble on smaller finds that are big on crazy flavor but small in size. This bag is loaded with those discoveries. Inside this bag there will be some yums that you'll wish there were more of, and others that you'll wish we never found. But that's all part of the fun. Dig in and have a good time. Awesome! Oh my gosh. It reminds me of when you go to birthday parties as a kid. Ooh, okay, so there we go. Here are my treats, my dolce italiano. Alright, so we're gonna start with the tiramisu cream milk chocolate balls. Ooh. So in this box, the information for each food is it's more lengthy than the other boxes, so I'm not gonna redo the whole thing because this video will be very long. Basically, there's a little history about this treat. This is luxurious chocolate filled with coffee-infused cocoa cream. Tiramisu Sorini. That's the name of the brand. Okay. I'm not the biggest chocoholic. It's okay, but I'm not that into chocolate. I'm not like obsessed with chocolate. So, yeah. So it's definitely gonna leave some chocolate mess in my mouth. Good thing I have some water. Wow, tastes really good. Definitely can taste, the coffee chocolate flavor, but it's very thick. Definitely gonna need some water with this. And definitely eat it in small bites. Do not eat this whole thing all at once because you're not gonna be able to freaking breathe. Or I ate it in 2, but I probably should have split it in maybe 3 or 4 bites because it's very thick. Like I almost felt like I was gonna choke. It takes a while to dissolve. I was like, oh my god. It's just, yeah. So just be careful with this one. Have some water to kind of help break it up, and don't have it all at once because you might not be able to breathe. That one should have a warning with it. So now we're gonna try the Selt Soda Fizzy Lemon Candy. This fizzy lemon candy makes a lot of sense and will make you feel super bubbly. Well, I'm actually not into fizzy. I don't like carbonation. But I do like lemon, so we'll see. It definitely has like a little sour tanginess, which I like. I like sour candy, but it's just lemon, which is good. So I think this would be probably good on a go snack if you're hungry or you're just craving something and maybe you can't have anything at the moment. You don't want to make a lot of noise or craving some lemon. This would be a good one. Luckily, that one didn't really taste like carbonation, so that's good because I'm not into carbonation. Sorry. So now we're gonna try some Alfredo's Italian black truffle potato chips. Black truffle, like a dessert truffle? Or I don't know what truffle is. I thought truffles were just like desserts, but oh wow, so basically it's kind of a type of fungi. Prized for their earthy tang, these gourmet fungi are basically Italy's version of buried treasure. No, really, they grow underground. Locals spend hours scouring forests with trained dogs in the hopes that they'll sniff some out. All the effort is worth it as they're one of the most valuable foods in all of Italy. A 3.3 pound one from Tuscany once sold for $333,000. What? So how much does this bag cost? Like $1 million? Or I do like mushrooms. So if I like mushrooms, maybe I'll like this fungi. Fungi. Wow. Wow. Looks like a regular potato chip, but definitely has like a kind of mushroom fungi flavor. Wow. Definitely earthy. I would say earthy. Yeah. That's what it said there. Earthy tang. So definitely has an earthy flavor, but it's good. I feel like if you like mushrooms, you'll like these, which is really weird. They don't look like mushrooms, but it kind of tastes like mushrooms. Black truffle. They're good. For mushroom lovers, yes. Now we're gonna do another chocolate one just because I want to get the chocolate ones out of the way. Now we're doing a hazelnut milk chocolate bar. It is by Novi. The native hazelnuts are prized for their excellence. They're smaller, sweeter, and nuttier than those grown in Turkey or the United States. That might explain why this rich chocolate bar, filled to the brim with roasted Piedmont hazelnuts, is the top-selling chocolate bar in Italy, and why we're fully addicted to it. Ooh, I believe that's the brand right here, Nocciolato. So I'm excited. I get the top-selling chocolate bar in Italy. Ooh. I do like nuts in chocolate. If I have a choice between one with nuts and one without nuts, I'm gonna go with the bar with nuts. So, ooh, I like how big the nuts are. Sorry about the... That's what she said. It looks like it has like a compass or something, or maybe it's just the logo there. You can see the nuts here. All right, let me break off one. Molto buono. It's not super sweet, the chocolate, but the hazelnuts are really good. Yeah, it's a good combo. Mi piace molto quello cioccolato. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, please feel free to correct me, but nicely. Now we're gonna go with the orange zest carrot cake by Bondolce. This one says this is the Italian style carrot cake. Ooh, free of all the bells and whistles. Italy's take highlights the natural sweetness of the carrots with just a dash of orange zest. Ooh, get ready to discover a whole new kind of carrot cake craving. So carrot and orange, interesting. So the two orange pieces of produce combined in one. I never thought to combine orange and carrots together, so this is gonna be really interesting. I've made carrot cake before and I made it real good. Just saying, okay? Because I made everything from scratch. Making everything from scratch is just tastes so much better. I don't eat carrot cake too much though. It's too filling. It's just, or fattening, I guess. It's very soft. Very, very soft. I wish you guys can feel how soft it is. That's what she said. Sorry. Okay. Wow, I think I smell both orange and carrot equally. Wow. That's delicious. It's so good. Yep, this is the best. Oh my gosh. If you go to Italy, Italia, please buy this Bondolce con arancia e carota. It's really good. You will not regret it. And I feel like it's a lot lighter and probably not as fattening as like regular carrot cake. Oh my god, this is so good. I love it. Yes, queen. Next, we're gonna have the crisp almond cookies. No colorings or preservatives. So the story behind these cookies, according to this, has to do with a couple who overheard a cardinal from Milan who was visiting their church, and they wanted to prepare him something, so they improvised a cookie recipe, which I guess is this one, because the cardinal loved them so much, he blessed the couple to a long happy union, and not only did they end up staying married, their cookies went on to become an Italian icon. So are you feeling the love? Better yet, are you tasting it? Apparently the ingredients were apricot kernels, sugar, and egg whites. They're really small. They're tiny, tiny, tiny. Almost like the size of Cookie Crisp cereal. They're really tiny. So let's try it. Definitely has a strong almond flavor. Yeah, this one's almond flavor. So amaretto. It says crisp amarettini, crisp almond cookies. So biscotti. They're really good. They're a little hard. I mean, not too hard. I was able to eat them, but I'm more of a soft cookie type of person, but it's still good. It has a lot of flavor because you see them and they look kind of dry, like just bland, right? Like if you just saw this, you would probably think, oh, that's kind of bland. But then you eat it, it's like, boom. This amaretto flavor, it's just like, takes over your mouth. So don't judge a book by its cover. All right, so we only have 2 left. Now we have the Tatalini Limone e Pepe. So tarali are the little spirals that like are on the box right here, little spirals. I guess they are really popular in Italy. They apparently come in rosemary, coffee, and egg varieties. The company chose lemon and pepper because apparently that was the best one. I love lemon, so wow, it smells good actually. It looks like a little bagel actually. Yeah. Okay, definitely taste the pepper. It's not too strong, like it's there. You definitely taste the pepper, but it's good with the lemon. But the lemon is strong, the lemon flavor. I feel like the pepper is a little bit stronger than the lemon. It's a good on-the-go snack. I feel like if you have some, you have to have some water with you because it's just, I feel like it would really dry out your mouth. Last one, guys. All right, this is gonna be really interesting. I'm surprised this is not an American treat, but these are ketchup potato chips. Ketchup potato chips by Amica. Amica means friend, feminine. Apparently 30 years, potato chips were scorned in Italy until best friends Alfredo Moratti and Andrea Romano came along. With the mission of bringing chips to Italy, they started their business. Amica, producing both traditional flavors and totally new ones like ketchup. All right. Apparently, this is also currently the #1 chip brand in Italy. I'm not that big into ketchup either. I don't mind a little bit here and there on a burger or fries, but I'm not like, oh my gosh, ketchup. I don't go out of my way for ketchup, but I'm always up for trying something. Oh yeah, definitely smells like ketchup. All right, try some ketchup chips. Ketchups. Okay. It's a good ketchup flavor. They're good. Yeah. And I'm not that into ketchup, but I don't hate it. If you are really into ketchup and you want to have it on the go and you can't really, you don't want to be weirdo like sucking a ketchup bottle, get some Amica potato chips. All right, so I am at the end of my first ever Universal Yums box from Italy. Which one was my favorite sweet and savory snack? So we're gonna start with the sweets, and my favorite sweet was definitely, without question, the orange zest carrot cake from Bondolce or Freddy. I don't know which the brand name is. La torta di arancia e carota è la mia favorita. Hopefully that makes sense. But this one was definitely my favorite. It's just so good. It's just beautiful. It's soft, creamy. I love creamy. Don't be perverted. And the flavors, yeah, definitely this one, hands down. And my favorite savory snack is gonna be the Alfredo potato chips with the truffle flavor. Oh, this one are also Amica brand. Amica and Amica. Because I love mushrooms, and I know truffle isn't exactly a mushroom, but it's a type of fungi. It's in the family. So I'm gonna go with these as my favorite savory snack. Overall, which is my favorite? Was it the truffle chips or la torta di arancia? So which of these two is my favorite overall? Definitely gonna be la torta d'arancia e carota. It's heavenly. Out of everything, it was all good, but this one this one I want to buy more of. I think that's kind of how I know which one my favorite is, the one that I want to purchase more of. So I wish you guys could taste it. It's so good. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, I just can't. I want more. God. The flavor's so good. It tastes like orange. It's not like an artificial orange flavor. Oh, I hate kind of like when it doesn't taste like the actual fruit. If I get married and people are like, carrot cake, I'm like, no, screw that. Carrot cake. We're gonna have some Italian orange and carrot cake. So much better. It's lighter because I feel like when you have regular orange cake with the cream cheese frosting and everything. It's like very oily and it's just heavy. Like, you know, when you're eating like 2,000 calories or just like, oh god, gonna have to work out a lot. But this is light. It's light, but it's satisfying. Yeah, it's just kind of like a lighter version of carrot cake. I haven't checked the calorie count, but I'm just assuming, okay? So that is it for my first ever Universal Yums unboxing. I'm really happy I got this one too. Please watch my other unboxings if you're interested in what Tokyo Treat has to offer, or a Snack Crate. They have some pretty good stuff too. I got stuff from India and Japan. If you want to get your own Universal Yums box or any of the other boxes that I've unboxed, said boxes way too many times, you can check the links in the video description of all the videos. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you're Italiano, please let me know in the comments below and correct me if I said anything wrong. Hopefully we'll get to go to Italy someday, Italia, and visit every city, just because there's so many cities that I want to visit. If you are from Italia, let me know places to recommend, snacks to get, all this stuff. I want to hear from Italian people or anyone who's actually ever been there too. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Ciao.